Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Every Day. I am Julia, and I am so happy to spend this time with you today. If you are a beginner and you want to speak English naturally without any fear, then this video is exactly what you need. In this session, we are going to practice shadowing with simple, real-life conversations. By the end of this video, you will know how to talk about your daily plans, your feelings, and common social situations with total confidence. So, make sure you stay with me until the very end, because we have some very interesting topics coming up. Are you ready to start? Let's begin with our morning energy. I woke up feeling very refreshed today. I woke up feeling very refreshed today. It's a brand new day, and I am ready to learn something new. It's a brand new day, and I am ready to learn something new. But first, I think I really need a good breakfast. But first, I think I really need a good breakfast. Do you like to have tea or coffee in the morning? Do you like to have tea or coffee in the morning? For me, a warm cup of tea is just perfect. For me, a warm cup of tea is just perfect. Now, let's practice talking about our daily tasks. I have quite a few things to do this afternoon. I have quite a few things to do this afternoon. First, I need to complete my work. First, I need to complete my work. Then, I will dedicate some time to practice my English speaking. Then, I will dedicate some time to practice my English speaking. It feels wonderful to be productive, doesn't it? It feels wonderful to be productive, doesn't it? You are doing an amazing job so far. Keep that smile in your voice as we move forward. Now that we have finished our morning routine, let's step outside. Imagine you are walking down a busy street. You see a friend, or maybe you need to ask for directions. Keep your voice steady and polite. Let's try these. Excuse me, do you know where the nearest supermarket is? Excuse me, do you know where the nearest supermarket is? It should be just around the corner, right? It should be just around the corner, right? Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. See? People are usually very helpful if you ask nicely. Now, imagine you are inside a shop. You are looking for something special. Hello. I'm looking for a gift for my friend's birthday. Hello. I'm looking for a gift for my friend's birthday. Do you have any recommendations for a good book? Do you have any recommendations for a good book? That sounds interesting. How much does it cost? That sounds interesting. How much does it cost? Oh, that is a bit expensive. Do you have anything slightly cheaper? Oh, that is a bit expensive. Do you have anything slightly cheaper? I think I'll take this one, please. I think I'll take this one, please. Can I pay with my phone, or do you only take cash? Can I pay with my phone, or do you only take cash? Perfect. Here you go. Now, let's change the topic slightly. Let's talk about our hobbies and what we like to do in our free time. This is a great way to make new friends. In my spare time, I really love listening to English podcasts. In my spare time, I really love listening to English podcasts. It helps me understand different accents and new words. It helps me understand different accents and new words. What about you? Do you enjoy playing sports or watching movies? What about you? Do you enjoy playing sports or watching movies? I also like to cook new recipes on the weekend. I also like to cook new recipes on the weekend. Sometimes the food is great, and sometimes, well, let's just say I need more practice. But that's okay, isn't it? Life is all about learning and trying new things every day. Life is all about learning and trying new things every day. You are doing a fantastic job with your shadowing. I can hear your confidence growing with every single word. Keep going. Don't stop now. You are still here. That shows how dedicated you are to your goals. I am very proud of your progress. Now, let's move into a slightly different setting. Imagine you are at your workplace or talking about your career. Even if you are a student, these sentences are very useful. I have a very busy schedule this week. I have a very busy schedule this week. I need to attend a meeting at 10 o'clock. I need to attend a meeting at 10 o'clock. Could you please send me that file by email? Could you please send me that file by email? I am trying my best to finish this project on time. I am trying my best to finish this project on time. Sometimes work can be a little stressful, right? But we can handle it. Let's practice how to stay positive at work. I really enjoy working with my team. I really enjoy working with my team. Everyone is so supportive and kind. Everyone is so supportive and kind. We always help each other when things get difficult. We always help each other when things get difficult. Now, let's shift our focus to something very important, our health and how we feel. I've been trying to drink more water lately. I've been trying to drink more water lately. It's important to stay hydrated throughout the day. It's important to stay hydrated throughout the day. I also started going for a short walk every evening. I also started going for a short walk every evening. The fresh air makes me feel so much better. The fresh air makes me feel so much better. Sometimes I feel a bit lazy, but I push myself to move. Sometimes I feel a bit lazy, but I push myself to move. How do you stay healthy? Do you exercise or eat lots of fruits? I think balance is the key to a happy life. I think balance is the key to a happy life. Take a deep breath with me. You are doing amazing. We have covered so much already. Your pronunciation is becoming much more natural and fluid. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. And you are doing exactly that. We are almost at the end of our session. Time flies when you are having fun, doesn't it? Before we finish, I want to tell you something very important. Learning a language is not a race. It's a journey. Some days you will feel like a superstar, and some days you might feel a bit lost. And that is perfectly okay. The fact that you are here, practicing with me, proves that you are going to succeed. Let's end with some strong, positive words. Say these with power in your voice. I am becoming a confident English speaker. I am becoming a confident English speaker. My voice is clear and my mind is open. My voice is clear and my mind is open. I love practicing with Julia on English every day. I love practicing with Julia on English every day. Yes, that was perfect. Thank you so much for staying with me until the very end. You have done an incredible job today. If you enjoyed this session, please show your support by hitting the like button right now. It really helps our channel grow. And if you haven't joined our family yet, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Here at English Every Day, we are dedicated to helping you reach your goals one step at a time. I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, what was your favorite part of today's video? I promise to read your messages. Until our next session, keep that smile on your face, keep practicing, and remember, you are amazing. I'm Julia, and I'll see you in episode 7. Goodbye for now.